Marriage is a protected institution. What therefore God had joined together, let not man put asunder.
I can see it all, the color of the morning when summer turns to fall.
Nagkakilala kami sa Instagram.
Nagluto si Papa ng kabsa. Indian food po siya. Then, pinost ko siya sa IG.
May pinost siya na food and then nag-reply ako doon.
Their night is good, looking at you now. It's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to
Yes.
try, it comes naturally. There's just no denying when stars align, perfect harmony. Turns out it's better than make-believe, but I don't need to write it. I knew you were right for me.
Pinapa-order niya ako. Ayun pala, luto lang sa kanila. Tapos ayun, hanggang sa lumalim na yung conversation namin.
Tapos, 5 days before my birthday, doon po kami nagkausap. Parang naging food buddies po kami. Kasi mahilig din po siya sa mga iba't ibang mga foods, ganyan.
Ito na yung oras na pinakihintay mo. So, makakipis ka matulog.
Kinakabahan na ako eh.
Kinakabahan ka. Ako din.
Ten tales from storybooks can't compare. They're not as good. Looking at you now, it's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to try, it comes naturally. There's just no denying when stars align, perfect harmony.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo sa pagpapalaki ng maayos and eto na, kakasal na ako. Ayun, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Thank you, thank you.
You were right for me.
Hi, Mitch. This is it. Enjoy lang tayo. Sana magustuhan mo at sana tama ang mga pinili ko na gift para sa'yo. Excited na ako makita ka. I love you, Mitch. Josh.
I knew you were right for me.
Tinatanong mo ako paano ko kinakaya lahat. Ang hindi mo alam, kinakaya ko yung mga bagay na yun kasi nandyan ka. Palagi kang nakasuporta, nagpapaalala na kahit may problema, God is good.
Right for me.
Looking back, I never want to get married because I thought marriage is a prison. And then I remember Jesus. And knowing that in the Bible, Jesus is described as our groom, while we, the church, is the bride. And so I realized that marriage is a beautiful representation of God's love for us.
I've been thinking about you.
If you make a vow to the Lord your God, do not be slow to pay it. For the Lord your God will certainly demand it of you, and you will be guilty of sin. Ano mang pangako nyo sa isa't isa, maririnig namin, but most especially, our guest of honor this afternoon is the Lord Himself.
Andre, Tong.
Sakto. Ay, pati mo ba? Nagkapalita.
Promise ko na hindi ako mapapagod. I'll give my best para sa'yo. I'll give my best sa magiging family natin. Bibigay ko lahat para maging best partner mo sa habang buhay.
You're my reason, you're my air. You're all I want to have and hold. From this day on down forever.
Thank you sa lahat mga papa sa pag-alaga sa akin na pagkabata ko, sa mga advices nyo and sa mga wisdom nyo na dinadala ko hanggang ngayon. Thank you.
Sunset painted skies.
Maging mabuti siyang asawa, maging mabuting halimbawa sa magiging mga anak niya, patuloy na bubuo siya ng pamilya maging masaya.
I'm learning your shape. This love that I feel for you will never fade. I can't take a breath when you're not there. You're my reason, you're my air. You're all I want to have and hope. From this day on down forevermore. Oh.
When I am attending the prayer and fasting with my friend Faye, I already prayed for him. I told God, God, ipakilala mo na kaya siya sa akin. And 3 days before my birthday in February, my papa cooked kabsa, an Indian meal that I posted on Instagram. And right there, I met him. My non-negotiable to God. The guy I wrote at past year 2019.
As long as it takes.
And I'll give my best and I promise na kahit sobrang hirap, magiging spiritual leader ako sa magiging family natin. God is good, Mitch. He is so good to us. Marami pa siyang ipaparanas at ipapakita sa mga magiging buhay natin. He is faithful lalo sa mga pangako niya. Ayun lang. I love you, Mitch.
This day on down forever. This day on down forever.
Joshua, we are now giving you the permission to kiss your wife, Mickey.